Alright, so back with the Grady. Got the name on it, new logo, new stripes on the hull and up there. You can see that. You can see the new paint. The eyelets on. We fabricated, made a new piece of rub rail. I didn't have any of this existing rub rail and we had to bridge the gap, so that was made out of oak. And then we did quite a bit of work in the cockpit and in the helm area. So we'll jump up in there. So what do we do up here? Well, we made these little shelves, put carpet in, made new trim work out of oak. So we cut the pieces, epoxied it, painted it. We used Cusa board for the bottom of the shelf and some outdoor carpeting. Turned out nice. Gives us a nice place to hold things. Again, some more trim work. Over on the port side, made a couple shelves, made a nice deep one down below. Trim work along the partition with the cabin. We painted the deck. And we fabricated an enclosure for the bottom of the helm. New trim work along there. Cockpit bolsters, or combing pads, whatever you want to call them. We took and repainted the little hatch covers. Turned out nice. Not bad for a 1984 ride. Someday, probably replace these. Those pads right there. Little seat cushions. But pretty excited. It's Memorial Day weekend coming up here, 2019. And eager to get it out on the water. Done some polishing. Oh, one thing that I did purchase some more rod holder tulips. So I got a couple of these that will end up mounting somewhere on the hardtop, figuring probably in this area. That way I can still get up and around the helm area, walking up to the front of the bow of the boat. And then I purchased some without the little tab on them. So we'll pull this rod holder rocket launcher assembly off the hardtop here, and we'll end up welding in a couple more rod holders. So that'll give us the ability to have 9 rods up there. Excited to get it out on the water. I think it turned out pretty well, considering where it was. If you watch any of my videos, or if you don't know, I do have a series of videos on the restoration of this 1984 Grady weight Seafarer. It's come a long ways. Been a couple years. Year 1 did all the mission critical things and got it seaworthy. Didn't have a lot of the nice things done on it. So all the trim work, combing pads, paint, things of that nature weren't in it. And so this past winter and spring we've been working on that and got all that done. So ready to hit the water. So hopefully you can check out some of my other videos. And if you ever have questions, feel free to put a comment down below. I do check those from time to time. And I've actually had some folks that work on email correspondence with me, so happy to share the journey. Thanks for watching.